So years ago, when we were still doing JV deals, an old friend of mine reached out to connect, and he'd seen what we are doing and crushing it in the multifamily space, burning apartment buildings, and wanted to meet up because he was sitting on a lot of capital, had a super high paying job, and was looking to see how we could potentially work together. So sat down with him, explained our business model, how we're able to find deals, how we're able to execute, get the turnovers we need, boost the net operating income, and essentially burr full multifamily apartment buildings. And he was very impressed. However, like many JV agreements in real estate, you have an operating partner and a money partner. We would be the operating partner who finds the deal, executes, and makes sure this property gets fully burred. He would be the money partner that would come in and provide the capital to purchase the building as well as a portion of the renovations. Once we finish the project, we would be able to refinance all of his capital out, and the building would be owned 50% by us and 50% by him. So he looked at me and said, why would I put all the money up and do this with you guys when I could just go ahead and do this by myself? Well, it's been years now, and Buddy still hasn't bought shit. Point of the story is 50% of something is better than 100% of nothing.